Okay guys, this is my 79 Ford Fairmont Futura. A few of you have likely seen this car before. A few years ago we transplanted a 7.3 liter Godzilla in it when they first came out, and we ran a Coyote control pack to run it. Had to do some rewiring and change some sensors around, that sort of thing. At the time there wasn't anything else really available for it without spending a whole ton of money, and we had that control pack, so that's what we ended up doing with it. It's got an 88 millimeter turbo on it. It's got the factory manifolds on it still, turned backwards. It's intercooled. You can't really see it, it's in behind the bumper, but it's got a big 6-inch thick intercooler on it. It's also got a 2-speed dead and bare case power glide in it, 4-inch exhaust to the back, which I'll show you in a minute when we get it up on the lift. I'll show you the tailpipe on it for now. Little 4-inch tailpipe there. The car with the bone stock motor and 8 pounds boost made 600 horsepower to the wheels at 5,500 RPM, and it made 557 foot-pounds as well. That 88 millimeter probably isn't even working at 8 pounds. All right, I'll show you guys underneath. Don't mind the cobwebs. This thing's been sitting in the corner of the shop for probably a good year and a half. So as you can see, we've got Godzilla in this thing, using a UPR mod motor K-frame. Basically, we used that K-frame and made our own motor mounts to make everything work. Got the manual rack in there. It's a real tight fit, but it does have clearance. And then you can see our turbo piping here and our wastegate. And then custom 4-inch exhaust. Our power glide is the exhaust all the way to the back here with a Dynatech muffler. Gives it a nice sound. All TIG welded. We got our tranny cooler mounted in the back. Some other upgrades we're gonna do is we're gonna upgrade the suspension in the back of this car, as it's got some real old school Lakewood stuff in the back that's actually was originally in my orange colored stick shift Mustang years and years and years ago, not to date ourselves here. So we're gonna upgrade it to some fresh UPR stuff and do a rear end for this car. We've got a built 7.3 Godzilla that I'm gonna put in it. It's got Ross pistons, Molnar rods, and it's got a custom grind comp cams turbo camshaft. And to start with, we're gonna put it in just like that with the same amount of boost, and we're gonna see what kind of increase it has, which I think it'll be considerable, because now we'll be able to go from, instead of revving it to 5,500 and having it being all done, we should be able to rev it to at least 6,500. So that should be interesting.